Hey, welcome to this video. So now in this video, I'm going to share with you a most effective methods to lose your weight, to shape up your body and get more flexibility, known as sun salutation. Now, what is sun salutation? Well, sun salutation is the number of asana put in a proper sequence, which really gives you a lot of benefit when it comes to physical as well as the mental psychological benefits. It's beautifully designed. It's a wonderful method. So there are a few precautions which we need to take before we begin the practice of sun salutation. The first thing, that if you have a severe back pain, severe knee pain like arthritis or any other high BP or heart issues, then I would say you initially avoid doing this asana. First, you get to a better level by practicing other methods of yoga, and then you can start this, because this asana, when we do, we have to mainly we are focusing upon the flexion of the body, which is called the forward bend, and extension of our body, which is called back extension of back bend. And in this sequence, what we see that we get a lot of stretch on the spine, tummy, and different and knees. So I want you to make sure that you don't have these issues before you begin this practice. What I'm going to share with you is a basic methods of Surya Namaskar. When you talk about sun salutation, and if you watch different places on internet and everywhere, you will see different variation of this. Some people are doing this way and some people are doing other way. So there's a lot of variation of sun salutation. So don't get confused about that. Just follow what I'm going to teach you and follow the sequence. And once you are able to master the basic, then after that you can go and get a lot of variation. But in the beginning, just follow the sequence which I'm teaching you. Let me demonstrate you the practical, and then I will explain a little bit about that. So we always start. So let's begin. So we always start number of asanas. So we start with Namaskar Mudra. But one thing important, before you begin the practice of sun salutation, if you're doing it straight away, I would recommend you first of all do a little bit of the warm up. Okay. Because what happens is that your body and your spine has to be ready to go into these poses. So when you bend forward, so you may get stretch on the spine, and when you're doing different poses, then you need to have your back ready. So for example, if you're intermediate, if you have been practicing yoga for some time, then you can straight away go into this. You can take it as a warm up. But if you are just a new beginner, if you have never practiced anything of that sort, I would say do a little bit of the warm up first. So let's look at the warm up. How we're going to do this here. So let's take first of all 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Take one back. 4, then 5. Then knees down first, chest down, then put your elbows inside. Then let's come to cobra pose. Go to the downward facing dog. Flatten your feet. Take right foot for front between both the hands. Then front. Then inhale. And then exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Then exhale. You take left back. Keep this foot straight. Don't bend it like that. It will give a lot of pressure. So keep it straight. Keep this straight down. Then lift your knee. Take it body straight. Then touch your knees on the floor. Touch your chest, elbows. Put your elbows in. Put the feet straight. Up. Go back. Take left forward. Take right forward. Inhale. And come back. So this is how you need to practice sun salutation. Why it is important to practice this? Because this is also called known as a warm-up in yoga for the people who already have been practicing for some time, and also known as one of the best methods of losing weight, because this is the combination of different poses. Okay, so try to practice this way. And now I'm going to teach you, just in case if you're a new person, if you are maybe your age is more, age doesn't matter though. So if you're a person that if you could do, if you're doing first time and if you find difficulty to catch up these things, so what can you do? So I'm going to teach you some easy method now, which you have to follow. So for that, let me just quickly get the a chair. I will teach you how you can do it. So let me pause it here. Okay, so now I've got the chair with me here. You can see. So I've got the chair here. All right. So now I'm going to teach you some modifications. If you are not able to catch it up, if you think that no, I can't, if you find difficulty to practice it, then I'm going to modify this little bit so that you make it little easier so that you can easily do it. Okay. So what you need to do now? So for example, the first pose is this called Anjali Mudra. This is called Namaskar Mudra. Okay. So do it like that. The first is this. Okay. And then you take inhale one. Now, don't try to go beyond it. Don't try. You don't need to go here. Keep it here if you can't go beyond. And then you come down. And then you come down. And if you think you cannot bend your knees, keep the chair here. So like that, you can do the chair. Put the chair. Keep a chair here and hold it like that. So you don't need to go down. Just keep the chair here and hold it here. Okay. Now once you have come here, once you held it here, after that you just need to. Now this is because if you have a problem on the back, then you do it with the chair. So keep the chair here. That's one way. Secondly, you can keep your hand like that. Okay. And after that, and then you can bend your knee. Then so don't go straight away. Just bend your knee, and then go down. So you bend your knee, and then go down and take it back. Okay. Take this back like that. Okay. And then the other one is straight. Okay. And then knees down first, then chest down. Now, when you come up, you don't need to come too much. Don't come up like that. Just come little bit. That's it. Little bit. Okay. And then you can do like that. So you don't have to go straight away like that. Don't go like that. Slowly come back and then take your knees. Take your knees. And then you can go like that. And you can keep your knee bent. Keep your knee bent. Okay. And then bring it front. And then put your knee down. Put your knee down. And then slowly you can come like that. Okay. Once again. One. Once again. One. And then you bend down. You can go straight, take the chair or put it here. Or you can take the chair here. And you could keep it here. And then you go, then you bend down, take left back, put your knee down, and then take this straight. Then put your knees down, then put your chest down, then come little bit. Then you go down, come back, and then you come to the downward facing dog. Then you take left foot. Okay, now many times, if you can't take the left foot, first, even if you can't take it here, that's okay. Just take it here and put this down. And you can lift your foot like that. You can lift your foot like that. And then you come forward and inhale and exhale. Okay, so guys, this is all right. So I hope that I was able to teach you and demonstrate you how you have to begin the practice if you are and how you have to modify the practice if you have never done it. But doing it important, because if you do it, you will get exhausted. But over the period of time, you will see that you're being energized throughout the day. And the best part is that by practicing the sun salutation, you not only get the physical benefits, you also get the psychological benefits. Why? Because it is said that the emotions, that means your emotions are created by emotions, movement. When you move your body, automatically it also impacts your mindset. And because mind and body are connected together, anything you do with your body, your mind also get impacted. So if you do this sequence of sun salutation, not only that you get rid of your body fat, your body also becomes flexible, your spine becomes healthy, and your heart becomes healthy, because every time you're bending down, that the blood goes to your heart areas, to your lungs, soaked in the blood, gets soaked in the blood. And this is how, and the blood goes towards your, rushes towards your brain. So that is also one of the ways that you get all kind of benefits with the help of sun salutation. So this was a sequence. I hope that you're able to get it. I also taught you that you can modify accordingly. So that's all from me. Let's meet in next video.